Okay, another new arrival here at Ruston Park Motors. This time it's a Vauxhall Astra. It's a 2 litre diesel ecoFLEX SRI. It's 165 brake horsepower one, so plenty of power, 6-speed box. Good history, 7 stamps in the book, plus we'll do another service on it before we sell it, along with a new MOT. Does drive nice. SRI's always a popular one, got nice wheels, sport style trim, a few extra bits and bobs like cruise control, air conditioning, electric windows, electric mirrors. It is a nice car. Very good on fuel. And this one we're advertising at £4,000. That's a Vauxhall Astra, 2 litre turbo diesel, 165 brake horsepower SRI. More pictures on the website. It's rustonparkmotors.co.uk, or give me a call 07868 722 133.